All right, guys, welcome back to the channel, Dream Moto. Now, I literally just made a video about why I hate my V2. So this is same day, different video. By the way, if you haven't watched that video on why I hate my V2, go check it out. Anyways, this is a quick video about my radiator guards that I just got, okay? Now, I literally just got them from Amazon for $30. Now, I've been seeing radiator guards on websites, on eBay for $100, $200, and then I found this one for $30. I don't even know what the company's name is. Let me see if I can see real quick. I threw it in the box. It's called, I don't even know how you say that. Biani? I don't know. But anyways, this is the company. The radiator guards fit great. And it was 30, like I was expecting to be some problem. You know, I was expecting to have something not work right, but they fit great. It's a very easy install, you know what I mean? Took me, what, 10 minutes to do it? And that's just because I had the wrong Allen key. I had a really long Allen key, and it would work better if I had a little short one. That way I can get up in there easier. But if you have, you know what I mean, a short Allen key, this is literally a 5-minute job. Easy install. And now my radiators are protected, and I guess they look cooler because now they're black. But anyways, that was just, I had to share that with you guys. So if you want to save some money for your V2 with a cheaper installation, go on Amazon, type in that company's name, or type in V2 radiator guards, and you will see them pop up. $30. Matter of fact, I'm gonna leave the link in the description. That way you guys can have easy access to it. Because that right there is a steal. No better, you can't get any better than $30. Anyways, that's just my little update for you guys. Thank you for watching. Drop a like, drop a comment. Peace.